Raise your hand if you like roasting weenies.
Both weenies up!
2 weenies up.
But you only have 1 weenie, I have 2.
Ha ha!
Weenie war! Weenie war! Boom!
This is my uncooked weenie right now.
What if I had to do it like this? Tommy, what if we had to do it like this?
That takes like forever.
I know. What about some weenies on our weenies?
On our weenie skewers, we're gonna be roasting Brendan's tonight. We're roasting wieners.
No, we're
tonight.
roasting a car.
You're so mean.
We were just talking about roasting
Brendan. Like the top half of my weenies all roasted, the bottom half all not.
Sorry. I can't even tell. I can't even see.
I can.
What was
See
the
blackness.
wiener? Look, Tommy, remember from Shark Tale? Wiener!
I am the wiener. Let's see how burnt this is.
Ooh, hey, this is pretty. The weenie juice tastes so good.
Because only you would say that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Rub dub dub.
Thanks for the grub.
Dear God.
Amen.
Amen. Are you putting this on Facebook?
YouTube. We're roasting Brendan!
Look.
This weenie has a bite taken out of it.
Seriously? You want to take a bite out of it, Tommy? You didn't even put it in your hot dog. Look. Look. Look.
What?
Look. Ow! Both weenies in my mouth at once. It would have drooled over myself. I can't tell if it's burnt or just black.
That's black.
Really? Hey, why just flicked all the black off of
This
that?
is actually pretty good.
Yep, I'm licking all the black off.
Weenies! What if you like dropped your weenie in the fire?
Then I would just go get up and get another one. Are you putting this on Facebook?
I already told you.
You said on YouTube, but are you putting this on Facebook?
I'm gonna share it. Let's go get another weenie. Wait.
Wait,
Mine isn't eaten yet.
you didn't even put it in the bun.
Who cares?
Woo!
Weenies!
Wait, I'm gonna go put
Sour to the weenie!
Can you bring me a bun?
There's wieners over there that we have.
Where?
Over there on the table.
Wait, are there even buns over here?
That's a pretty good weenie. Grandma! Oh! Hi, Uncle John. It's Tommy. Grandma doesn't have her phone right now.
Do I have a
Okay. Do you want to talk to her? I think so. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna go ask her. Just a second. Huh? Where's Grandma?
in the kitchen?
Grandma?
Huh?
It's soup of
Okay.
Tampa.
I'm making you dip.
Yum.
Hello?
Back to roasting weenies! Oh, sorry. I didn't know that. Do you still want my weenie?
Yeah.
Close the door. Oops. Mm. Today's a night of weenie roasting. Whoa.
Yeah.
No, it scared me. My first weenie is like halfway eaten. time for the second weenie. Grandma's making us dip. We're roasting weenies. Ah. Caitlin, where's the... I found it. I found it. One more weenie.
You want some of my lighter?
A lighter? Yeah, there is one out here.
Make sure we need turn.
You know, if you go look at a valley with all the lights off
It's
and the
probably
cars
scary.
winding.
Ow.
My lighter out here.
No, there's a lighter.
I had done. You want to borrow mine? No, you know what? This is the one I want right here. This is not needed if the fire's going.
Grandma kept it on.
Watch out.
My mom just tripped.
Oh, you got a skewer from one of the girls? Yeah. Okay, because I brought 3 more out.
Okay, here's another one.
Here, we'll lay them on.
Pult rice. Ow, that burns.
Why don't you, are those Duraflame logs?
Yeah,
Think.
that's what Linda put in there.
What's wrong with roasting weenies on Duraflame?
Sure you don't want 3?
Maybe.
Maybe, sure. Oh, I know. You know, you might starve to death if I take a bite of this.
Here, Dad.
No?
Eat this.
Yeah.
Eat this. It's cold. Some.
Yeah. Is there, what's all over it?
It was in the freezer.
Because, you know, she burnt it. Because it's a weenie. Because you're supposed
Well,
to burn
maybe
it.
it's the Creole your guys are cooking over. You see all that black shit coming off the logs?
Some people,
No, I don't.
they have generators. I heard somebody with a generator and straight across the way over
I
there.
see a couple lights over there.
Is that
Ow.
cold?
It's hot.
Yeah. You want one? There's 2.
Yum.
Some more over here. Yeah, there's 2 over there.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You eat every.
Ow.
Come on.
It's hot.
Bill?
No, no.
You sure?
I'm going to go make my weenie.
Here's some sticks right
This
there.
is onion. Do we have chips?
Yum. Yeah, we do. It's over here.
Sticks are over there.
We got onion or the chip and down here. Do we have the scoopy thing?
Scoopy things? I don't know what that
Frito
is.
thing?
I don't think so.
Mustard, ketchup. Mustard and ketchup are right here. Okay. Jalapeno dip.
I'll be right back. I gotta go roasting.
Okay, we got this open. Now we need to cook. Are they cooking a wiener for you?
No. I should let those burn off a little bit, those logs. Let the Creole burn off a little bit.
Okay.
Hey, you know what a text message is? I never knew that.
I don't know how to do it well.
Actually, I was talking about you.
Oh, me?
It says John Curran.
Oh, another one, huh?
Probably not that.
Well, just talk to her.
Oh, I was trying to push send. It didn't go to it.
No, you don't push send. You open it up and say who.
Oh.
Pass them now. Class, that sounds good for somebody. Okay.
Got the chips, need the dip. Got the main course. Give me a soda.
Okay.
I've got everything except for soda. I'll be right back. Ooh, yum. That is a perfect chip and dip right there. Yum. Ooh, that tastes so good. You have no idea.